Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 3, subject general knowledge, topic number 1, leaves in our lives, number 2, currency count, number 3, the water cycle, number 4, common comparisons. This video is prepared by Ritu Bishramola. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So children, this is your GK book, Startup GK 3. So children, our first topic is leaves in our lives, page number 30. So children, it's a picture of banana leaves. Banana leaves are large, flexible and waterproof. They impart an aroma to food that is cooked in or served on them. Steaming with banana leaves impart a subtle sweet flavor and aroma to the dish. Its leaves are fully dried and used as packing material for foodstuffs. This is the picture of papaya leaves. Papaya leaves juices helps to heal fever, malaria and chikungunya. So children, this is the picture of basil. Basil is an excellent source of vitamin K, iron, vitamin A and vitamin C. And children, this is the picture of neem leaves. Neem is a popular medicinal herb. It purifies the blood, treats insects bite. So children, this is the picture of coriander leaves. All parts of the coriander plants are eatable, but the fresh leaves and the dried seeds are most commonly used. Leaves and seeds are used fresh or dried as a herb in cooking. Coriander leaves are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K and protein. They also contain small amount of calcium, phosphorus, potassium. Mint. Mint leaves are used fresh or dried to make teas, jams and desserts. Oil can be extracted from the leaves and is used as a flavoring. So children, let's do the activity. Read the clues and unscramble the words to name them. Question number 1. They are large and waterproof. In some parts of India, they are used as plate. So your answer must be banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Question number 2. The tree has broad leaves and its juice is very useful in treating dengue fever. In Hindi, we call dengue fever. So your answer must be papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. See the question number 3. The leaves of this plant are sacred in Hindu religion. It helps to treat cold and cough. So your answer must be basil. B-A-S-I-L. Come to the question number 4. The leaves are bitter in taste. They are used as a medicine. Yes, your answer must be neem. Question number 5. The leaves are soft and green. It is used to flavor food dishes. So your answer must be coriander. Come to the question number 6. It is a soft herb and has a cooling flavor. So your answer must be mint. Page number 31. Our next topic is currency count. So children, our next topic is currency count. Name the following currencies used by different countries. Now see the first country. Name of the country is Japan and its currency is yen. Come to the number 2. United States of America, USA. Its currency is US dollar. Next country is Bangladesh and its currency is taka. Come to the number 4. China and its currency is yuan. Come to the number 5. India and its currency is rupee. Come to the number 6. The name of the country is Russia and its currency is ruble. Come to the number 7. Germany, France, Italy and its currency is euro. Come to the number 8. The name of the country is United Arab Emirates, means UAE, and its currency is dirham. Page number 32, 33. Our topic is the water cycle. So children, let's learn about the water cycle. How water moves around the world and supports life on earth. What is water cycle? Water on earth is constantly moving, changing states from liquid to gas to solid and being recycled. There are stages in the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. So children, let's understand some words that will help you to understand the water cycle. Number 1 is evaporation. Heat from the sun causes water on earth to evaporate and rise into the sky. This water vapor collects in the sky in the form of clouds. Number 2 is condensation. As water vapor in the clouds cools down, it becomes water again. This process is called condensation. Precipitation. Water falls from the sky in the form of rain, snow, hail. This process is called precipitation. Collection. Oceans and lakes collect water that has fallen. Water evaporates into the sky again and the water cycle continue. And this process is called water cycle. So now children, see the water cycle by this picture. Come to the number 1 point. The rays of the sun heat the water in oceans, rivers, lakes, soil, plants, trees etc., and cause water to evaporate. This is called evaporation. Now, after the evaporation, tiny droplets of water called water vapor form and are carried up by rising warm air as cloud. When water vapor in the cloud cools down, it becomes water again. This process is called condensation. And after the condensation, clouds gather more and more water and become heavy, and this water falls on earth as rain, snow or hail. This process is called precipitation. So children, let's do the activity. Take the correct option. Question number 1. When water turns to vapor and rises up, it is called precipitation or evaporation. So your answer must be evaporation. Come to the question number 2. The water cycle is driven by the sun or moon. So your answer must be sun. Come to the number 3. When water vapor cools into a liquid, it is called condensation or sublimation. So your answer must be condensation. Come to the question number 4. When water droplets get large enough to fall from the clouds, it is called transpiration or precipitation. So your answer must be precipitation. Come to the question number 5. The water cycle A stops at night, B never stops. So your answer must be never stops. Question number 6. Dewdrops formed on leaves is due to the process of A. condensation, B. evaporation. So your answer must be condensation. Page number 34. Our next topic is common comparisons. So children, read the clues given below and complete the similes. Question number 1. As brave as dash, king of the jungle. So your answer must be lion. As brave as lion. Come to the number 2. As busy as a dash, and she collects nectar from flowers. So your answer must be B. B-E-E-B. Come to the number 3. As cool as a dash, and it is a green vegetable used in salads. So your answer must be cucumber. Come to the number 4. As free as a dash, flies in the sky with wings open. So your answer must be bird. As free as a bird. Come to the number 5. As fresh as a dash. It is a beautiful flower in different shapes, size and colors. Your answer must be daisy. As fresh as a daisy. Come to the number 6. As light as a dash. Birds have it. So your answer must be feather. As light as a feather. Come to the number 7. As old as the dash. They are small mountains. Yes, your answer must be hills. As old as the hills. Come to the number 8. As slippery as a dash. And it swims in water. So your answer must be fish. As slippery as a fish. Come to the number 9. As smooth as dash, and it's soft cloth made by the silkworm larva. So your answer must be silk, as smooth as silk. Come to the number 10. As wise as an dash, a bird which is active at night. So your answer must be owl. Come to the number 11. As black as dash, black rock found in mines. So it's coal. Come to the number 12. As sweet as dash, sweet food made by bees. So your answer must be honey. Children, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.